Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about the different prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium. So what are the different prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium test automation? Before I list down the different prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium test automation tool, I would like to say one thing to you. That is, all these prerequisites I am going to explain in the upcoming sessions of this course. You don't have to go anywhere else. So, whatever the list of prerequisites that I'm going to list down here, all will be explained to you in this course itself in the upcoming sessions. So, be rest assured. Fine. So let's get back to the list of prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium test automation. So before we start learning about the Selenium test automation tool, we have to have the knowledge of these different prerequisites that I'm going to list down here. So what are they? The first one, software testing basic knowledge. So software testing basics in simple terms. A very high level basic knowledge of what exactly is software testing is enough for you to start learning the Selenium test automation. You don't have to learn software testing in depth. Just having a basic knowledge of what exactly is software testing is enough. That I'll be covering in the upcoming session for you. Second thing, HTML basics. Second prerequisite here is HTML basics. Again, basics only, guys. You don't have to learn HTML in depth. Basic knowledge of HTML, whatever I'm going to cover in the upcoming sessions for you before I start explaining Selenium test automation in this course is enough. Then third thing is locators. Coming to locators, we have to learn in depth. It's not basic level. We have to learn locators in depth. Don't worry about this. I'll be explaining about the locators in depth for you in the upcoming sessions before I start explaining about Selenium test automation in this course. And the last item is core Java. Okay, the last prerequisite that you have to learn before you start learning Selenium automation is core Java. So if you divide Java into two parts, you can divide something like this: core Java and advanced Java. The Java programming language that is there in the market can be divided into core Java, and the other part is advanced Java. Advanced Java. So do we have to learn entire Java for Selenium test automation? No. Advanced Java is not required for us to learn. This is required for developers. But coming to Selenium test automation learning, this much amount of Java, that is core Java part of Java, is more than enough. Core Java part of the Java, which is more about logic building and all in Java, is enough. You don't have to learn advanced Java. So what amount of core Java that is required for you to learn to understand or learn Selenium test automation, I'll be teaching to you in the same course in the upcoming sessions. So every prerequisite that I have listed down here, I'm going to teach you or explain you in the upcoming sessions of this course. So stay tuned in this course. So hope guys you got the idea about the list of prerequisites that are required for learning Selenium test automation. So before we start learning Selenium test automation tool, we have to have this knowledge of these prerequisites. If you already have some knowledge of software testing basics knowledge, if you have, or HTML basic knowledge you have, and locators knowledge you have, or core Java knowledge you have, you can skip these topics in this course. Okay, you can directly jump to Selenium test automation section of this course. But if you are not aware of any of these items, I would recommend you to go through my explanation in this course regarding each and every topic before you start learning Selenium test automation. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.